This episode is a bit different. It's about this pickup. It's my family's car and it's got charm. I don't know if it's got anything more than charm, but that's what I'm here to find out. Nobody has even attempted to start this car in the last 10 years. And how do I know that? Well, because it's been standing here on our property for the last decade. My father bought it back in the spring of 2013 and it's been standing here ever since. The car itself is an Austin A55 from 1957. So let's see if we can get this car rolling at least. Yeah, I don't think that's going anywhere. Ooh. Holds air. And it's even a winter tire, so we are ready for winter. Now we have somewhat air in 304 tires. If it's impossible to steer, I will swap so we have inflated tires in the front. But we'll see. Where to pull? There we go. Not too bad actually. Let's give it a go. See if I can get into the car. How many spiders do live in here? A lot, I'm guessing. Itsy bitsies. I got a pickup, you know, so I can just. Oh, no clutch at all. I have no idea what is neutral, so. Oh, we are rolling. That was surprisingly easy. Wow. Yeah, and it's a bit wet, this floor. It did rain very much yesterday, like flooded everywhere, so I'm not surprised there's some water in it. Yeah, well, this is great. I do want to know how rusted it is though. Shall we open the bonnet? The hood? Are you ready to be impressed by the almighty 4-cylinder? Oh, even that one works. This is my hand for compressing. Yeah, that must be rotating. That is great news. Meaning the engine isn't seized. Yeah, I'm debating with myself whether or not I should do the cleaning video first or try to start it first, but it just makes much more sense to clean the car first. So it's much easier to work with, like, just look at this engine bay. Yeah, it makes much more sense to clean it first, so that will be the first wash in 10 years. I'm excited to see how much of this we can get off, and how much paint we will remove. car is pretty much empty now.
Hey, I got myself a keychain saying Austin A55 and some plastic seatbelts. Man, I'm lucky. So this is what's uncovered. Not looking too bad.
This is a nice detail. So if you want to drive your tailgate down, your license plate will hang down like so.
Entirely from the truck bed.
So I think I'm ready to do some pressure washing. I got rid of a lot of dirt, so my vacuum needed a good clean.
This ain't too bad. It's pretty solid. No major rust found.
But I haven't shown you the best detail of this car yet. And I got to show you the exhaust of this car. It's just epic.
Starting off here, you can see it going down there. Coming along the car in this beautiful bend with, I don't know,
it might be under 1 inch or 1 inch exhaust. Perfect. But, 1.5, I don't know. And it comes up here. This tubing with this bolt just welded, that is the exhaust. Nice. I have owned this pressure washer for over a year and I didn't know it could do this. I just thought it could do this. So that's good. Degreaser going on.
car is cleaning up good. I have to say, now it looks yellow again. There are like some spots that are more stubborn than others, but a little bit of elbow grease and that will come off too. But I have to say, it looks pretty good to be garage painted, but the paint job itself is terrible. Like on this part, you can say these are the places to mount your headlights. Yeah, I don't know what happened here, but also great masking job, by the way. Nice. Let's do the engine bay. It's getting pretty wet inside the cabin, so that's as expected. It is taking in quite a bit of water. Quite a bit of water. Close the door. Let's close the door. I'm pretty happy with the results by now. It's turned out way better than I thought it was going to be. It's not mint condition, but it's okay. It's okay. I will move the trolleys to the front wheels so I can push it around, get it back on the ground, get some after shots.